G'day. Today on the workbench I've got a older thurstmaster pedals. And the issues that I've been having with these is that on the brake it was as if you were holding full brake, and on the accelerator it was as if you were holding full accelerator. Now what I discovered with it once I tore it down was that the potentiometers, also known as the pots, this one here and this one here, had some weird reason gone out of calibration. So they both instantly assumed that there was automatic resistance even before putting your foot down. So basically once you push your foot down on the pedal, it spins this cog here, which then spins the pot. Well, that's the idea behind it. So I was having dramas with that. So yeah, I was able to loosen up with I think it was a 10mm spanner, the bolts, and from there I could slide this out, or slide this and adjust it to where I need it to be and put it back on. I found a similar issue with the steering wheel itself. The steering wheel has a fairly similar kind of device on them, and once I got to the back of it, the steering wheel was usually sitting about here, or at least when the steering wheel was dead straight, it was as if you were holding the steering wheel to here. So I was able to get to the back of it, I snapped off the locator pin here, and I was able to physically rotate it to the angle that I needed, which then made it 100% straight for me. So hopefully with a few little tweaks like that, you may be able to revive some older steering wheels and pedals that you might have floating around that have similar issues. The biggest drama I had with these though, and especially the steering wheel, is physically tearing it down to get it to this level, where there seemed to be a shitload of screws all through it and just everywhere. Well, once you actually get to the mechanical side or the electrical side of it, it's pretty straightforward. Anyway, that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.